Hey guys, Lauren and I are just doing a project and we wanted to share it with you. Right now we're building a bench for our metal shop, and we're basically going to build it so it is floating. This is what we've got for a big bracket. These are 3x5 timber material, and this is the top of the bench where all the boards are going to sit. This is 2'9", and we got a 45 joining the two here. We're going to have 3 of these brackets, and we're going to have 2" by 8" boards that are going to go on the top. So we're going to show you as we go along. Right now Lauren is just
ready rod shorts,
getting some ready rods so that we can bolt straight through the angles here and bolt into the 3x5s in order to connect them all together. I've cut some of the materials, and my beautiful sister is gonna record the rest of it. Okay, so Luna and I used some of these spiky, whatever you call those, for trusses to put our brackets together. We put one on each side, and it works pretty great. I've mounted these two to the posts, and then I'm gonna mount the third one to that wall there, and then we're gonna put some of these 2x8s on the flats, going from 1 to 1, and then they're gonna meet in the middle on this one, and then some more on that one. So we're gonna have a nice 16-foot bench. Just thought I would let you guys in on this progress.
Okay, so Caleb is nailing, and I just thought it looked funny with him kneeling on the ground. We've got 3 legs in each of these posts here, but we couldn't put a leg at the top, and we didn't like the leverage of that, so we put 1 spike in the top.
And now it's really strong.
It was really strong before. I was jumping on it earlier. Jump! You can grab the string or something.
I'm like all the way out on the edge where like the leverage is the most, and there's barely any flex. I feel pretty comfortable up here. So
now walk across the board that's not nailed in.
I don't want to get all muddy.
Okay.
Okay, so we've put the last bracket on, and we mounted it straight to the wood shop, and then we put 7 lengths of 2x8 boards that were just rough cut, and we'll planed on one side. And Lauren really likes this bench because he can do that.
It makes cracking noises, this backboard, that we didn't like as much anyway.
Well,
anyway, yeah, so we're thinking we're going to put a bunch of cubby holes for bolts above this last board here. It's kind of far back anyway.
yeah.
With a plywood like this one on the other side of the tree. So we had attached our bench grinder and vise.
So then we've got our cord going through the back into the underneath side, which is pretty cool. And then Lauren just legged our vise, and it's really nice and solid. I really like the look of this bench, even though it's quick and dirty.
Square here.
Yeah, it because of our posts are not exactly square to each other. I mean, we did that knowing that. We just didn't care. Our bench has a cool little
kink in it.
Yeah, I don't know if you can see with the... Yeah. You'll be able to see a little bit more. Yeah, there you go. Not the prettiest joint, but it's not supposed to be a pretty bench.
And we're probably going to put a layer of 1/2 inch plywood over the top of this maybe this winter, which will give us a slightly smoother surface. But we figured we'd use this and mark it up a bunch first.
Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, that's that.